Friends, today we will learn to write Hindi alphabets. First of all, we will learn to draw lines which are useful in writing Hindi. We will learn shapes like half circle and standing line. Then we'll start Hindi letters. Let us start. Now on board. Learn lines which are used in Hindi writing. This is called standing line. See, standing line. This is sleeping line. We call it sleeping line. It can be big or small. Now, this is slanting line. It can be in any direction, towards right or towards left. This is slanting line. There are three lines: standing line, sleeping line, and slanting line. Let us learn shapes. What is this shape? This is half circle. It can be in any direction. We use it in writing Hindi. Now we start to learn writing Hindi alphabets. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is E. This is E. This is E. This is E. This is O. This is O. This is O. This is O. This is Re. This is Re. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is A. This is O. This is O. This is O. This is O. This is Ang. This is Ang. This is Ah. This is Ah. These are called swar in Hindi and vowels in English. Hope you have learnt starting alphabets of Hindi. Friends, today we will learn to write Hindi alphabets. We will learn Hindi alphabets. This is K. This is K. This is G. This is G. This is W. This is Ch. This is Ch. This is J. This is Jh. This is Y. This is T. This is tha. This is da. This is dha. This is ra. This is ta. This is tha. This is da. This is dha. This is ra. This is pa. This is pha. This is ba. This is bha. This is ma. This is ya. This is ra. This is la. This is va. This is sha. This is sha. This is sa. This is ha. This is also combined alphabet. This is cha. This is tra. This is gya. This is gya. Hope you have learned to write in the alphabets. Thank you.